In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed YouTube videos in Framer. We're going to walk through a simple, reliable way to bring a YouTube video directly into your Framer project, so you can showcase tutorials, product demos, or any content you want without sending people off your site. First, make sure you have your Framer project open on the canvas where you'd like the video to appear. Once you're ready, look towards the top of the Framer interface for the Insert option. This is where you'll find all the different elements you can add to your project. Go ahead and click on Insert. When you do, a panel will open, usually on the left or as a drop-down, showing different categories of components. In that panel, look for the category labeled Media. This is where Framer keeps anything related to images, videos, and other rich content. Click on Media to expand it. You should now see several media-related options available to you. Among those options, find the one labeled YouTube. This is a dedicated component designed specifically for embedding YouTube videos, so you don't have to worry about writing any code or dealing with complicated embed snippets. Click on the YouTube option, then drag and drop it onto your canvas. Place it roughly where you want the video to appear on your page or frame. You can resize it by dragging the corners, just like any other element in Framer. Don't worry about getting the size perfect right away. You can always adjust it later. Next, you need the actual YouTube link for the video you want to embed. Open a new browser tab and navigate to YouTube. Find the video you want, then copy its URL from the address bar. Make sure you're copying the full link, not a shortened or partial one. Go back to Framer and select the YouTube element you just added. In the Properties panel, you'll see a field where you can paste your YouTube link. Paste the URL there. While you're in this panel, you'll also see options to customize settings, such as whether the video should autoplay, show controls, or loop. Adjust these settings based on the experience you want your viewers to have. Once you've pasted the link and chosen your settings, press enter to confirm. Framer will load the video inside the component and you'll see it appear right on your canvas. From there, you can fine-tune its position and size, and you're done embedding a YouTube video in Framer.